This is Marcia with Osa Tropical Properties. I'd like to present a one-of-a-kind lot on the first ridge on Perezoso Road, Ojochal. This is the neighbor's lot below, but hopefully you can see that it is quite a distance below. There are no restrictions to the size of house you can build here. This is the incredible west view. Right now it's low tide, and of course everything looks further away in a video. Keep that in mind. This is the first ridge. Now I want to give you a zoomed in shot of what it actually looks like. This is the closest to what it looks like in person. And there's your sunset view. You will have sunsets year-round here, dropping right into the ocean. There is a great breeze. This is the viewpoint from the southernmost part of the building site. You can see Osa Peninsula, Drake Bay, Garza Island right in front of you, and the Taraba River. You enter the lot from a shared gate up this concrete road. And here is the lot. Right across the concrete road is a mini jungle. So this would be the backdrop.